everyone, this is Surbhi from Digification. Today we will learn how we can change name of our Google Ads account, or probably how you can assign a name to your Google Ads account so it becomes easy for you to switch. By default, you get one number on your Google Ads account. Let's see how to give it a name. So I've signed into my Google Ads account. On top, if you see, there is a number which is coming, which is my Google Ads account. But when I want to switch to a multiple Google Ads account, I would want, if there would be a name, it will be easy for me to understand, okay, which ad account this is and switch it, right? If you see, every ad account has some number and a name. This name we have assigned. So similarly, we need to see how do we assign a name to this. Let's go to Tools and Settings on the top. Here you will have to go to Setup tab. Here you will find Preferences. Click on Preferences. Here you will find this account name. Let's click on this account name. Let's give a name to this account. Let's say I'm giving a name to this account and click on Save. Once you do it, you will now refresh the screen and you will find one name associated with this account ID. Let's refresh. This is very useful when you are using multiple ad accounts. Here you go. Now you see this ad account ID is now also associated with the name. Now whenever I want to switch, it will be easy for me to know, okay, this account is of this particular thing, this particular brand, and I can switch it anytime. Happy learning. Bye-bye. See you in the next video.